World Asthma Day 2024 is being celebrated on May 7th. Now, what is the theme of this year's World Asthma Day? It is Asthma Education Empowers. So, this theme has been selected by the GINA in association with the World Health Organization. GINA emphasizes the need to empower people with asthma with appropriate education so that they're able to manage the disease well. The patients are able to identify their disease status, when that is going to increase, when they should seek medical help, which are the controller inhaler available, which are the preventive inhalers, how the corticosteroid inhalers have to be used, and when they should be used, what is the benefits of using the steroid inhalers, what is the best treatment for asthma. The fact that asthma is one of the most common non-communicable disease in the world. It causes about more than 4,50,000 deaths worldwide in a year. And most of the deaths are preventable. Thank you. I'm Dr. Krishnan at the Krishna Hospital Allergy Asthma Center.